Welcome prospective parents and students to the open house. My name is Tali Wercberger, and I am a current grade 12 student at Ulpanat. Before I get started, I just wanted to thank Rabbi Grauer, Mrs. Fixler, and the rest of the administration for asking me to speak. It is truly an honor. Grade 8 students, it is now late October, meaning your high school experience is just around the corner. Now it is time to make a decision on where you're going to spend the next 4 years of your education. When I was in your place, and I can't believe how fast time has flown by, I felt the same nerves as all of you do now. Now, standing here, I can only think of my amazing experience at Ulpanat, and I think about how hard it will be to leave in just a couple of months. I chose to come to Ulpanat for so many reasons, and I can say with certainty that the decision that I made 4 years ago was 100% the right one. You might ask, how did I choose Ulpanat? There are so many reasons why I think Ulpanat is such an excellent school. Here are some of the qualities I love about Ulpanat. Firstly, the religious identity is so strong. All our teachers and administrators really value the importance of learning from sparring and applying ancient lessons to our current times. In addition to the typical Judaic studies curriculum of Chumash and Navi, we have the opportunity to choose Judaic electives and that particularly interest us, like modern halachic issues and psychology through the Parsha, which further deepens our love and appreciation for being Jewish. As well, Ulpanat highly emphasizes religious Zionism. With a number of shluchim as our teachers, we students are privileged to feel a deep and personal connection to the land and people of Israel. This is reinforced through both Judaic and general studies. Students learn about Israel during ancient times through the Tanakh and modern-day Israel through discussion of current events. Ulpanat also offers unique opportunities to visit the land of Israel throughout the year, such as participating in the Shalom Run in Jerusalem and an opportunity to spend a month during the grade 10 school year in Israel. At Ulpanat, there is a great emphasis on the importance of the land of Israel and how it connects to each and every one of us Jews. An Ulpanat high school experience involves an amazing array of programming for students to participate in throughout their 4 years of high school. We have our Big Sister, Little Sister program, which pairs older students with younger students as mentors, creating school-wide achdut and new, everlasting friendships. The Weitzman Safe competition is an opportunity for physics students to construct an unbreakable safe and compete with other schools in different communities. We have a variety of programs for parents and daughters, such as father-daughter learning and mother-daughter chesed and learning, and even grandparent learning programs. Students at Ulpanat have the chance to participate in programs like the NCSY Jump Conference, which was an incredible experience that I am so grateful to have been a part of in my grade 10 year. Competing against Jewish schools across North America, my team had to come up with an initiative for teenagers in our community. We created an Instagram page called Trendy Tznius Teens, for teens to be inspired to dress tzniously while keeping up with the latest trends. As winners of this competition, I am proud that we were able to continue our initiative and help those in our community. One of Ulpanat's most meaningful programs, which is a personal favorite, is called Matmidot. Once a week after school, Rabbi Kurtz runs an optional Judaic learning program. Students may choose to pick up any sefer of their choice and learn any subject that interests them the most. The evening concludes with the Dvar Torah to enlighten us students. We have frequent lunch and learns and yimei iyuns on a variety of thought-provoking topics, often related to the Chazon. All these programs have allowed me and my peers to grow in many different ways through religious inspiration and learning together. Another reason why Ulpanat is such a great school is that the academics here are rigorous and allow every student to grow. No matter the class, teachers are always there to push you to do your very best and help you with any struggles you may encounter. There are also a variety of enrichment programs for those who want to learn outside the classroom as well, both in Judaic studies and general studies, through our subject scholar program, province-wide math contest competitions, and Judaic enrichment program. I've participated in both general studies and Judaic studies enrichment opportunities such as these, and have found them very rewarding. An additional aspect of the school that makes it such a special place are the teachers. The Ulpanat teachers have made an everlasting impact on me. To put it simply, the teachers are there for you. No matter what the situation is, they are available past school hours to help the students succeed. The bonds that I have made with the teachers have been incredible. The staff are there to encourage, help, and challenge students to be the best versions of themselves, whether this is through extra help, conversations about post-secondary, or just a friendly conversation in the hallway. Ulpanat is also unique because at Ulpanat, there is something for everyone. No matter your interests or strengths, there is something here that will make you feel at home. Annually, Ulpanat holds a club day. This presents students with an array of extracurriculars and school clubs that they could join. These clubs include robotics, Sandbus, B'nai Akiva, Hasbara, Mock Trial, Model UN, Shalom Task Force, and Intramural, just to name a few. You can also make your own club. This year, a friend and I are running a dance club, and every year, the school encourages students to create clubs that they are interested in running. In grade 9, walking into the club fair, there were so many opportunities at hand. I decided to try just a few to find what was best for me. This led me to discover how much I connect with children with special needs. I am now a returning volunteer for Friendship Circle, Chai Lifeline, Yachad, and KCC. Not to worry if this is not for you. There are so many other opportunities to get involved with. There is an amazing athletic program. This includes our basketball and volleyball teams. I'm proud to be a member of the UO Knights basketball team this year, gladly representing our incredible school. And I'm happy to say that we have won our first 2 games this past week. Ulpanat is also an incredible place because of all the leadership opportunities we have. Last year, I was a grade representative on SPAC, Student Faculty Admin Council, a committee where students meet regularly with teachers and administrators to discuss issues that are important to school and help bring about any change we want to see. It is empowering to be given the chance to have a voice here at Ulpanat. I also enjoy participating in the annual grade 11 foreign play called Rabamni Court, where my grade put on a full quarantine musical and raised money for Friendship Circle. I enjoyed helping to choreograph the dances for our play and work together with my peers to put on a full show. Even a fun activity like Color War or Shabbaton are ways for students to practice leadership skills while bonding with students from other grades. Overall, Ulpanat is an exceptional school for anyone looking for an enriching, educational, and religious Jewish experience, full of a variety of extracurricular opportunities and relationships to last a lifetime. Ulpanat students learn to successfully balance a Judaic and general studies curriculum while being able to give back to the community and being involved in much of what Ulpanat has to offer. This makes Ulpanat students well-rounded and prepared for university and beyond. No matter what school you come from, here at Ulpanat, everyone is one happy family and welcomed into the Ulpanat Mishpacha. At Ulpanat, you can know that your voice is always heard, and all of the staff and administration at school are here to support you and see you grow into the best version of yourself. Thank you. I am now pleased to introduce Mrs. Sharon Fixler, Assistant Principal and Director of Admissions